Hey you guys, it's your girl Faith L93 and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And today I have a crochet braids video for you guys. A lot of y'all were asking me how do I install like my faux lock crochets. So I filmed it for you guys. Yes I did. Kudos to me. Pat myself on the back. So I filmed it for you guys, and in this video I am installing the Freetress Boho Hippie Locs hair. And I did get it in the color Caramelt in the color number 4. So if you want to find out how I installed my crochet braids, how I made it look super natural, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and stretched hair. I think I did blow dry my hair out. And I am just starting off by sectioning 2 rows in the front of my head that I'm going to make for my individual crochet braids in the front. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam to just make my part super neat. And I'm just going to do small plaits in the front. And I'm also going to do 2 rows of plaits in the back. Okay, so now I have all of my plaits braided, and now I'm about to start braiding the rest of my hair down, and I'm just going to be doing cornrows where I am connecting the braids together, and you'll see what I'm talking about in the video. This is the braid pattern. As you can see, all of my braids are connected kind of up there at the top and is leading all into one big braid. And I'm just going to crochet that through the rest of my cornrows. Alright, so now I'm about to do the individual crochet method in the back. And I'm just sticking the crochet needle through my plait. I'm going to loop my crochet hair on the needle and pull it through, and now I'm going to take the crochet hair in my hair, loop it through that hole and pull it really tight so that it forms a knot, and then I'm going to take the crochet needle and start pushing it through the crochet hair, and I'm going to grab my hair and pull it through. I hope that makes sense, and I hope me showing it on the video makes sense to you guys. And I literally just repeat this process all throughout the single plaits in my hair. So it's very repetitive, and I'm just doing the same thing over and over. Once I'm done with that back section, I just start regular crocheting the hair through my cornrows. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'll do the front part at the end. Also on this part, you want to make sure that you're spacing your hair out so that your hair does not look really bulky. I've seen some people who put in crochet braids like the faux locks or the actual twists and stuff, and it looks super duper bulky and unrealistic. So that's not what you want. Moving on to the front part, and I basically did the same thing that I did in the back. I'll push my crochet needle through my plait, I'll loop the crochet hair on, pull it through, and then pull my hair and the crochet hair through that hole to secure a knot. Now sometimes in the front, depending on just how my hair is laying, I might unravel the crochet hair just a little bit and wrap it back around my braid. And then sometimes I just pull it through. So like right now, I am unraveling the crochet hair, but still raveling it around my real hair. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But I'm going around, just making that hair blend in. And the pieces that are sticking out, I will eventually crochet that through the rest of the hair. As you can see, when I pull it up, it looks very realistic and natural looking. Now that y'all see how I installed this hair, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this hair. Now I bought 6 packs in all, but I only used 4.5 packs. And to be honest, y'all, this hair feels really like heavy and thick. So like really all you need is basically 4 packs of hair, 4 to 4.5. I feel like maybe I put too much, but I don't know. Like for the most part, everything is like covered up. You can't really see anything. There's no gaps and spaces, so that's good. But this hair does feel heavy, and I'm not sure if it's because of the added curl. Also, this Caramelt color is coming up like super red on camera, but it's not this red in person. It's more of like a brownish type of color to me. But it's coming up really red on camera. So this hair is supposedly 20 inches. It's hitting right here on me, so a little bit below my chest, and then when I turn to the side, that's where it's hitting at on my back. But the way that I did my hair, I can like pull it up and pull it up on the sides and stuff, put it up into a bun if I wanted to. And of course, the way that I did the back, it looks like individuals in the back, so I can pull it up into a bun and all of that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is newer hair. I just found it in my beauty supply store maybe about 2 weeks ago. So go check this hair out if you would like to try it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.